Yeah, test. No, test as in testing. Testing Teslas on the autopilot. The claim of auto, is it autopilot? Now autonomous cars and all that. We need a real solution for it. It's like self-driven cars. This is the concept of self-driven cars. They're doing okay. I think you reach the pinnacle. You know what's a pinnacle? Or the zenith of a machine trying to be aware of its surroundings using laser sensors and using other kind of sensors, eyes and stuff. So the idea is we need more. First of all, we need more testing. We need more testing, like real-time testing. So the pitch idea is currently we have all over places we have race courses, don't we? So we're just going to ride those Teslas around those race courses and create yeah, but just make them, give them like various challenges. Suppose you're riding that way, you put like, have you seen the travel? Why am I making this? Because it's like awful. In Shanghai, this boy is driving his freaking Tesla on this fast lane, and he's going thing, and he's also shooting it on the camera or the dashboard cameras there, and it's going like full speed in the high fast lane. And there's a gap over here, right? And what is it there? There's a garbage truck over here. Yeah. So there's a garbage truck over here, and this thing is going thing over here but it can't see that thing. But if it was driver was thinking, it was stop or gone up into this other lane and gone away. But no, it just it went through that thing. So we likewise so what is the mistake over there? I would say is machines. The machines are like they have their limitations. They have limitations about what they can do. So the idea about self-driving cars, the problem is, so the solution is to put them into more testing, one solution is to put them, currently working with the current situation is, put them into more, run them around racetracks. So we have like a local horse track, we have like a Hiawatha, no, this is a Hiawatha project. We have like Woodbine. All these places, we use them to test. Because we have like test conditions. We're not like horses running on the street. So we put these things under test conditions and give them like various challenges. So we put like a dog on the street. We put a bicycle on the street. You see the other video of another self-driven cars.